Hey there traders, welcome to Income Nomad. Before diving to today's video, make sure to watch the previous video because it's about a $500 giveaway and it might be yours. The link is both above here and down in the description, also pinned to the comments. Today we've got an exciting trading strategy to share with you. This one boasts an impressive accuracy rate of over 80% across all markets. And it's especially effective on smaller time frames like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. That makes it perfect for day traders and scalpers. We're going to use 3 free TradingView indicators that anyone can access, but fear not. I'll show you a magic trick just before the end of the video to use up to 40 free indicators on free version of TradingView Plus backtesting this strategy with some real trades. Without further ado, let's get started with our strategy. First, log into TradingView and open the chart of any asset you're interested in. The first indicator we need is the Stochastic RSI. You'll find it under the technical section. Before we use it, we need to tweak its settings. Change the K&D lengths to 5. Then, head over to Style and make a few minor adjustments. Once you're done, the indicator should look like this. The Stochastic RSI combines the formulas of the stochastic oscillator and the RSI, making it highly sensitive to price fluctuations. This makes it a great tool for traders who want to gauge a stock's relative momentum, especially in low volatility markets. However, be cautious with highly volatile assets as they can produce multiple false signals. Next, let's add a trend filter. We recommend using the Ripster EMA clouds created by this amazing author. Add this indicator and adjust its settings carefully as these are crucial for the strategy. The EMA cloud helps us identify the market trend and the best points to buy and sell. If the price breaks above the EMA cloud, it turns blue, indicating a shift from bearish to bullish. During an uptrend, only take long positions. Conversely, if the price breaks below the cloud and it turns orange, take short positions. Lastly, we need to add the engulfing candle indicator. Go back to the indicators menu and search for engulfing candle. Now let's talk strategy, but before that I want to share something with you. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. For long trades, the price must break above the EMA cloud, turning it blue to confirm an uptrend. The price should retest the EMA cloud. The Stochastic RSI must become oversold during this pullback. For final confirmation, wait for the blue line of the Stochastic RSI to cross the orange line upwards. At this point, the price should be above the cloud and a bullish engulfing candle should be present. Enter a long position at the close of the trigger candle. Set your stop loss below the recent swing low and aim for at least twice the risk as your target. And for short trades, wait for the price to fall below the EMA cloud, turning it orange to confirm a downtrend. The market should retest the cloud. The Stochastic RSI must become overbought during the retracement. Wait for the orange line of the Stochastic RSI to cross the blue line downwards. At this point, the price should close below the cloud and a bearish engulfing candle should form. Enter a short position at the close of the trigger candle. Set your stop loss above the recent swing high and target at least twice the risk. Now let's see how this strategy performs on Solana using the 15-minute time frame. Watch closely as this strategy helps eliminate the ranging market from our trading. Notice the thickness of the EMA cloud during the pullback. Thicker clouds indicate a stronger trend. Almost every trade we found turned out to be a winner. You can expect 2 to 3 trade signals per day with this strategy on a single currency pair. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more trading strategies. Happy trading.